Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to share with you the Qt funded account rules and what are the things that you have to be aware of if you want to start using it. So you're gonna have like the 5k, 10k, 25k, 50k, 100k, and you can like spread and commissions if you want to have the raw spreads commissions or like variable spreads. Like let's say we're gonna go with raw spreads, and then you can also change like if you want to have like Qt instant where you can have no evaluations, no hassles, or you want to go like with the prime, or you want to go with the power. It really depends like which one you prefer. And then you're gonna have to choose number of evaluation steps. So you're gonna like 2 steps, or you're gonna have, let's say, a 3 step. And then let's say on demand we're gonna have on, and you can have profit target like 6% here on, and like every single step is going to have like 6%. Then daily drawdown. So allow the loss of 4% measured at the end of the day comparing to previous day's closing equity. And max drawdown is going to be 10%. And you can have also the news rule. So no trading activity 5 minutes before or after high impact news events in funded accounts only. Predefined stop loss and take profit execution permitted. So, and you see right here, the valuation result in immediate account termination. And then you can have like the payouts are going to be bi-weekly, and profit split you can have 80%. So this is something you have to be aware of because some offer like more than 80%. And then you can have like one-time fee, which is going to be like $27, $49, $103. So some of these kind of like monthly, but here you see that you're gonna have it on one-time fee. So that's another thing that you kind of like have to be aware of. So the reviews are good, and that's something that I want to share with you. Hope this video provided a little bit of value, and have a great day and goodbye. And if you want to, of course, get a bonus, you can have a link down below in the description for Qt Funded. So have a great day and goodbye.